What if you could unravel tension and ease your stiff, achy back with gentle seated stretches you could do in a chair? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 14-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed especially for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to feel more ease in their body without having to get down on the floor. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this rejuvenating routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a gentle cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, gently arch your back, lifting through your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of your shoulders as you open, and the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Release and return to center. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. With an inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your spine and side body. Adding a cat-cow stretch. Inhale, arms reach overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, creating more space and ease through your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle seated twist. Sitting tall with your hands to your thighs, begin to gently rotate from right to left. Inhale at center, exhale, gently twist, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Release and return to center, moving into a one-legged seated forward bend. Extend your right leg forward, flexing through your right heel. Place your hands to your left thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and on your exhale, lengthen your torso forward, out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, keeping your core engaged, your spine long, and your shoulders relaxed. Lift your torso to upright and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, extend your left leg forward, flexing through your left heel. Place your hands to your right thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward, out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling your mind calm, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle hip opener. Come to sit a little more forward on your chair, clasping the sides of your chair for support. Step your feet into a wide stance and then lift your heels, coming onto the balls of your feet. Moving from your hip joint, begin to alternate, dropping one knee inward, adding an internal hip rotation, and then repeating on the opposite side. Continue alternating right and left, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your core engaged, creating more mobility and flexibility through your hips. Release and step your feet back to center. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest. With your right hand to your right leg, begin to circle your right leg open and around for an external hip rotation, waking up your right hip. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and repeat on the opposite side. With your left hand to your left leg, begin to circle open and around for an external hip rotation. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, waking up your left hip. Release and return to center. Draw your right knee in towards your chest and place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. When you're ready, clasp your hands beneath your chair and begin to lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, hinging forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your outer hip, glutes, deep rotators, and low back. Lift your torso to upright and return to center. Sitting tall, place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. When you're ready, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, moving slowly and gently, giving your muscles time to relax into this stretch. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Place your hands to the seat of your chair and lift your heart, pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend. Continue here or extend both your legs forward, keeping your legs active, pressing down to the soles of your feet. Continue breathing deeply, lengthening through your spine and arms, drawing your shoulders down away from your ears, feeling your neck long. Release and step your feet back to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With an inhale, draw your elbows in towards your sides, lifting through your heart. And on your exhale, sweep your arms forward with the backs of your hands facing each other, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, waking up the energy of your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle seated twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Continue breathing deeply, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine upward, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe you're feeling a little more relaxed, a little less stiff, or just a bit more peaceful and centered. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to Happy Yoga On Demand, where we have this series plus hundreds of episodes for every level, and you can cancel anytime. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.